The Promira serial platform is TotalPhase's all-in-one tool for active communication and protocol analysis for I2C and SPI systems. In this video, we'll walk you through updating your device's license and firmware using our new Promira admin interface. With this interface, users can easily update firmware, configure new application licenses, and configure Ethernet connectivity. Please note, this interface can only be accessed by Promira devices running firmware version 2.0 or later. For instructions on how to update a Promira with an earlier firmware, please refer to our other license and firmware update tutorial. TotalPhase offers several applications that can be individually purchased from our website and added to your Promira serial platform, allowing it to be customized or to grow with your project requirements. Once an application is purchased, a .pmu file will be generated and sent to your email. Additionally, the license key.pmu file can be generated and downloaded within your TotalPhase account under My Applications. To obtain the latest Promira firmware, visit the Promira firmware update page. You can access this from the Promira serial platform product page by navigating to the System Requirements tab, where all available software for the device is listed. From there, select the Promira firmware update link and download the latest version. To update your device, first connect your Promira platform to your computer. The new Promira admin interface can be accessed via a web browser by typing http:// followed by the Promira's IP address and ending with :81. Here, you'll find an option to update either the license or the firmware. Click Choose File and select the previously downloaded license or firmware.pmu file and then click Upload. A new page will load asking if you're ready to flash and reboot. Click Yes. It'll now display Writing Update to Flash Memory. After a few seconds, all three LEDs on the Promira device will turn green. Now the screen should indicate that the device is being restarted. In about 30 seconds, the screen will refresh back to the home page and the three green LEDs will be changed to a single solid blue LED. Now your device has been successfully updated. And there you have it. Updating your Promira license and firmware is a simple process using the new Promira admin interface. For more information on this tool and others we offer, please visit us online at www.totalphase.com.